What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. All right, before we get started, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, real quick, I've got some great news for you. We've got a great promotion going on starting December 1st. So you want to stay tuned to get that information. Okay, we got two promotions. So this is the time to get in Impact Mailing Club, okay? But before we do that, let me go over and just show you, okay? I'm going to pull up my flyer or my order form so we can go over it and I can explain that to you. Hang on a second. All right, Impact Mailing Club. It is a direct mail program, guys. This particular company, they sell leads, targeted leads. These are people that's interested in making money from home. We have the name and their address. And what we're going to do is we're going to mail our flyer. We have flyers and we have postcards, okay? So you're going to mail to these people your sales letter if you want to do letters, or we have a postcard, okay? And you're going to basically get these people to take a look at the offer. If they decide to join, this is a member-to-member program. They will send in their payment to you directly, okay? And it includes, they're going to include stamps. They're going to have to send stamps to you and your commission. Okay, so this is the simplest business, home-based business on the planet, okay, to be able to just do mailings and not have to worry about internet marketing, doing solo ads, any of those things. If that is your thing and that sounds simple enough to you to just mail and be able to get paid, this is the program for you, okay? So what I'm going to do real quick is just go over the levels real quick, and then I'm going to tell you about the special bonus we have. We've got 4 levels with this, okay? So you're getting paid for selling the lead packages. For everyone that purchases the lead packages from you, that's what you're getting paid from, okay? So the product is leads, all right? So our low-end product, the lowest product on there is the Emerald. You can get started for $100, send in 2 books of stamps. You're able to get paid $65 every time you resell that package, okay? The Ruby level is the next level. You send in $250 and 4 books of stamps, so you're able to make $150 every time you resell that package. The Sapphire is $500. You send in 4 books of stamps, and you're going to make $300 every time you resell that package. The Diamond package is $2,000 and 5 books of stamps, and you make $1,000 commissions every time you sell that package. But there's 2 tiers to it, okay? So you're still going to make money every time one of your members make money. You're going to make money, okay? And you're going to mail this letter in. You're going to have 3 copies. You're going to print 3 copies of this letter and send it priority with your payments to the boxes as indicated. There's 3 boxes below. I'm not going to share people's information, but it tells you how much to send to each person in each box, okay? That's what you're going to do to get started, okay? Real easy, guys. You'll be able to make anywhere, the lowest you can make is $65 off your efforts, okay? Up to $1,000. Come in at the diamond and don't leave any money on the table, okay? Now, this allows you to become a reseller to sell these lead packages. That's what it does, because you've purchased it, so you're able to resell what you purchased. If you didn't purchase it, these levels, you can't resell them, okay? So what will happen is the company does allow, I think it's 24 hours. If someone gets your letter, and let's say you just at the Emerald level, it's only going to tell them about the Emerald level for you. Then it's going to list the email address for the company, so your prospect is going to have to email the company and say, hey, well, I want to join, let's say, the diamond level. And the company is going to notify you and say, hey, we got somebody looking at coming in at the diamond level. You have, I think it's 24 to 48 hours, one of the two. I don't remember directly, but it'll be in your welcome kit. But you have a certain time to upgrade. That's really generous of them to allow you to do that. So you have a certain time to upgrade. Otherwise, you will lose that sale, because if the person wants to come in at diamond, you at emerald, you lose out. Okay, that diamond commission, that $1,000 will go up to your sponsor or whoever's next in line. Okay, all right. Now, so Simple business. Now, let me tell you about the promotion we've got. Just got this email, and I'm going to read you the email and let you check it out. Came directly from Impact Mailing Club. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this. I'm sending this to my subscribers. So I'm letting you guys know, go ahead and get in with this promo. That's what I end up doing, okay? I joined at the Sapphire. They had a promotion, and they automatically upgraded me to the Diamond. So I'm able to get the $1,000 commissions at the 300, the 150, the 65, all the commissions, okay? So you want to do that as well. So let me show you that email so you can take advantage of that. All right, let's take a look at this email. We got this email earlier today, and it says holiday promo announcement, okay? Who loves promos? We hope everyone had an amazing and delicious Thanksgiving. We made a list and checked it twice, yada, yada. I'm not even going to go into that. Let's get straight to the meat and potatoes. Okay, the first promotion is the same one I had. If you come in as the Sapphire, guys, I'm going to read it to you. $500, you send in $500, join at the Sapphire, they're going to automatically upgrade you to the Diamond. Okay, you're going to save $1,500. This starts December 1st through the 7th. Okay? Say it again. Come in at the Sapphire, spend $500 and get upgraded automatically to the Diamond. This is from December 1st to the 7th only, okay? The second promotion is the 1st through the 15th. If you come in at the Emerald, which is the lower package, if you spend $100, come in at that Emerald, they're going to bump you to the Ruby, which is the next level up. Now you're going to be able to make $150 commissions, okay? So that way you're getting paid now on 2 tiers, the Emerald and the Ruby, okay? So that's a great deal. Now it states you get 100 leads with that promotion. So even at the Emerald, you're going to get bumped up to the Ruby between the 1st and the 5th, okay? So there's options here for everyone. If you can't reach the Sapphire level and you don't have $500, if you have 100, join between this time, the 1st and the 5th. 15th, I'm sorry, 15th. I didn't see the other part. The 1st through the 15th, you're going to be able to join at the Emerald and get upgraded to the Ruby. The Sapphire promotion is from the 1st to the 7th, okay? Spend $500, get bumped up to the Diamond, okay? Guys, you cannot beat that, okay? You never know when this promo is going to come back. I'm telling you, jump on this right now. Now, that's the company's promo. Now, whatever level you come in at, I'm still going to give you extra leads. That's my bonus, okay? So if you come in at the Emerald and you get 100 leads from the company, I'm going to send you an extra 100. If you come in at the Sapphire, okay, you get 400 leads, I'm going to send you 400, okay? So I'm going to match that. Now, if you're interested in having your system online, doing this online, I have a sales funnel set up that's going to help you with that, and we'll share the share code with you. All you got to do is copy the share code. It's cookie cutter, and boom, you have the same sales funnel that we have, okay? And then we're going to give you a customized cover letter so you can put your picture on it so that when people open that envelope, they can see a face with a name and number, okay? And that will get them to know, like, and trust you and feel comfortable to say, oh, this is a real company, a real business. Let me reach out to this person, okay? So, guys, take advantage of this promo. That's all I've got today. I just wanted to get that information out to you right away. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell. I look forward to working with you in Impact Mailing Club, guys. This is a great opportunity. I'll highly recommend you take advantage of this. This is going to be a great way to start your new year out with a home-based business, okay? And one that you can be proud of and one that you can work simple, okay? And not have a whole headache and worry about, you know, a lot of the marketing, okay? So, till next time, I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.